y'all can go ahead and drop down and start fishing. And guys, if y'all need any further help, just let me know.
There you go, now he's on. You got one?
Yeah.
Mine's gonna be freaking bigger than yours. Dang it, it's not gonna be bigger than yours because I got a double.
Too small, yes, sir.
Let's put a couple on that basket. They might be too small.
Get yours?
There's a motherboard if I can. It's like a second after it hits the bottom there on it.
Yeah, lift it up a little bit. Once it hits the bottom.
What's the biggest y'all get them? Do y'all ever get like 20 plus inches?
Not really. Like, a real good one on a half is like 16 inches.
Are you recording?
Yeah, I think so. Oh, it's a Mondo. Oh, never mind.
That's a good one.
That's a good one, or that's two of them?
Not quite. 12 and a half. Half
We
an inch
double them up
short.
every time.
Story of my life.
Thank you.
I don't know, lower it down.
There's one. Thanks.
I knew it. I knew it. That one was good.
There we go, that's a better one.
Hope that right.
Either it's a double or it's a really good one.
That should be two. Whoa, whoa. Looks like a good one.
There you go. That one might be a
That's
degree
it.
spot.
I bet he's short. Oh, he's a
Oh,
quarter
look
of
at
an
that,
inch.
it's a flounder. Oh,
Where?
no, I thought it was.
There's one. Oh, come on, it's gotta be a good one.
You said they like squid better?
He's already back. Oh, that's the weenie.
That's all right. He was a little short anyway. That's like a leaf.
Half an inch short.
Yeah.